Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You understand? Big up everyone that tune in right now. People, I want everyone to subscribe and thank you very much. You understand? Yes, big up everyone over big dogs. You understand? Yes, I could not make it without you guys. You understand? So big up yourself. So hardest is ever. That Mexican. So let's see if the Mexican can do it. You understand? You have some Mexican of bad thing, bro. Like literally tough with their lyrics. You understand? So let's see if this one tough with his lyrics. But this song, like, it's still hot, bro. No cap, bro. It's still hot, bro. No cap, bro. You understand? Yes, this song like came out 2 years ago. Let's see if it's still hot right now in 2024, guys. Alright. DJ Skells. All the Mexican right now, tune in. I need every Mexican right now to subscribe to my channel right now. You understand? Yes, and go get your fresh cut from here by Alex. She's right here. DM her for more info.
I got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this bitch. You a pussy ass buster, I will beat you up, but I know you gon' run off a snitch. I'm a certified goon, beat him up with the broom, sweep him up, do him just like a witch. Over the road with that too, put some deep in that.
Bro, he's not capping, bro. I can hear everything he's rapping, bro. Tough.
Pulling triggers, I don't flinch. Smoke his ass in the car, look like he in a hot box. I met her never cold, I stay with a hot glass. Put it in his mouth and I'm popping it like some pot rock. Rock it on your
Bro,
pocket.
this song is like when you wake up in the early morning, bro, after work. Bro, you just jamming in the morning, bro, going straight to work, bro, or even coming from work, bro.
Turning it into my block. Knock his head off like a drop top. Got his brain looking like applesauce. If I hear you giving info to the popo, pull out the Draco and knock his lips off. Right on. You a pussy ass buster, you wet like a feline. I don't keep the front door, I'm a creep from behind. Got a block hot while we throwing gang signs. I don't know about you, but they know I'm a bang man. I ain't talking about boo, but they know that I'm shy. Judge asked me if I'm guilty. I said, bitch, I might be. Southside stepping on them in some Nike. I'm on their ass, they better get white. Like I'm in the back, I got that booty calling my name. Knocking pictures off the wall, I bet the neighbors know my name. She catch a nut like a glove, I ain't leaving no stain. She got that big whop recorder on, she talking, give a fine. Ray in, man, we creeping, goofing with my demons. Call a little buck, cause she carrying my semen. Flim in the gym and it blimmin'.
Hey guys, subscribe right now, people. You understand? This guy uses accent, bro. You understand? You know Mexican how they talk like Spanish, Croato. You understand? So he sing he rap in that way, like, you know, like he talk fast, though. Bro, trust me, this guy, he have the heat in this music, bro. You understand?
I just made up some words and it sounded dope, didn't it? Oh, shit's too big, I'm like, bitch, I'm about to fit in it. And if that pussy drop, then you know I gotta spit in it. Like a serial killer, you can say that I be killing. Cause in the wheelchair jamming me.
That part, I don't know what you're saying there right there, bro, but Bono, we not eat. You understand? Why?
I be kinda like a G-Shock, big bang roll. Stomp him in the
Song
Reebok,
is
you know
tough,
how it
though.
go. Over days with no shower, I'm geeking off for the snow. You would thought it was a stripper, I'm pushing up with the pole. Right got more bitches in the girls' dorm. Bullets never in the gun, they stay airborne. Rockstar rocking out with a medal. I told Shorty come and dance with the devil. Okay. Fuck Russian machinery, guns looking like they came from the aliens. Push up on your blood like Picasso, I started painting it. Body full of blood and them bullets gon' have them draining. Like I got a bitch over me, nigga, you know that I be spanking it. Down south, baby. Ask anybody, I'm a dirty baby. That Mexican OT made a girl go crazy. I do a broad day, lay him down in the pavement. I say neck that pussy, whack, I'm a big dog with a big bone. I want all of the smoke like T10.
No, you're talking. No, you're talking. No, he's talking. He's not capping.
So what that thing, bang, do was down. You better get back with that. Slap a hoe like a pimp named Slick back. I ain't really with the chick, check. Over it up and push the shit. I yells at that Mexican OT. Whack his ass, put him on TV. Knock him out, whip it out, take a peek. And this free SPN.
Bro, this song is tough, bro. You understand? Guys, like, bro, that song is tough, bro. Like, no cap, bro. You have to check out that song, bro. You understand? The haze, bro. The haze, bro. You understand? Hey, that song is tough. People, I want everyone to subscribe right now. That song will take you from a next step to another step. You understand? If you don't have no vibes to go upstairs, bro, that song will take you upstairs, bro. You understand? No capping. Guys. Yo. Song tough, bro. That Mexican guy is tough. Guys, you reach the end of the video. You understand? This song dropped 4 days ago. I'm gonna get right into it after. But I want everyone to subscribe right now. Thank you very much, y'all. I respect everyone from my heart. You understand? People, remember, go over here. Ear by Lex. You understand? Yes, you will get the best fresh haircuts. You understand? Yes, clean, sharp, looking good. You understand? See? Sharp. People, big up yourself. I'm out.